Welcome back to the channel. Today is the 31st of December 2022. It is 1:45 in the afternoon. It's been raining for the past 10 days, if not longer. Grass is coming on okay. Yeah, it's getting there. As you can see, it's raining, so I'm getting a bit wet. So I thought I didn't do an update, didn't chuck this video on the end of the one that's getting to put on today at 2 o'clock, I think it is. So just a quick video. Last one of 2022. There you go. Right, hope you all had a nice Christmas, and also say Happy New Year, and hope 2023 we have a good one. See you on the next one.